Hello. Hello there, magic monsters. Welcome to the stream. So, should I be drinking coffee at this time at night? It's 6 o'clock at night. 6:15, 6:17. Maybe I should not be drinking coffee, but I am. What can I say? I'm a bad boy. I'm breaking the rules of society by drinking coffee and resizing my windows here. This is the prettier window, isn't it? It's much prettier. By the way, for those of you coming to the stream, if you haven't checked it out, yet, go to Infinity PBR.com where you'll find two things. You're going to find more than two things. You're going to find a website that needs to be redesigned, but you're going to find scripting docs, and there's a button to see all assets. That is my affiliate link to the asset store, and I appreciate when you buy anything from the asset store. If you click that link first, you'll see right now the asset store has a $20 everything for just $20 each sale. I'm not in that, but it's cool. North Star navigation system, though. This is what I wanted to show you, by the way. If you haven't seen North Star navigation system, it's brand new. Ends in 5 days for the new release discount, half off. It's a very good system for doing all sorts of things like overlays and navigation bars and compasses and radars and stuff like that. And the documentation is all right here, and there's a lot of it. See, look at all that. There's all this stuff, tips and tricks and examples and pictures and screenshots and stuff. And that's cool, right? Other cool things is Monster Collection 2 is out. Game Modules 4, of course. It's always popular. Anyways, what are we doing today, though? Let me show you. I'm going to press play. See if the demo works. Speaking of North Star, you're seeing it in action here, actually. This has North Star in it. You can see the overlays. You can see the radar compass. You can see the example when things turn red from a video I made showing how you can override things at runtime. But that's not what we're doing today. That's not what we're freaking doing today. So calm down, people. Jeez. You guys are so impatient. Clicking this load portraits button and portraits are loaded. So look at that. That's what's happening. That's what we're doing today. Portraits loaded when you click the button. Now, why is that exciting? It's exciting because you need portraits in your first-person party-based RPG game if you're anything like me. Now, work to be done. This is not the final look. There's some AI art for the borders and stuff, but work to be done to make it extensible and all that stuff. But I want to show you in the pretty scene what it kind of looks like. Also, it's not going to be cameras like this. I don't think it's super efficient to draw the scene 5 times in the camera, because each one of these draws to a render texture and then it gets displayed here, and then that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can imagine a lot of camera. In fact, stats. Let's see the stats. We have where's the FPS? 1210 FPS. I'm going to load even more portraits, and now we're getting down to 9 FPS, 7, 5 FPS. So obviously you're not going to have that many portraits in your game, but the frames per second goes down as you have too many. So what we're going to do instead is make it a little bit more efficient. We're going to spawn these way off in the distance. They're not going to use a background. They're not going to be rendering the whole scene. They're going to be rendering just the character and the lighting around the... Actually, wait, will we do it? Maybe it doesn't need to go way off in the distance. Just can't be... It's only going to render the character. Does that make sense? It's only going to render the character. So let's see. This is the pretty scene, but this is Legend of the Stones. This is not. This is the scene. It's the ugly scene. This is the ugly scene. Wait, that's not North Star. That's not the scene either. This is the ugly scene. All right, let me make this. Uh-oh, what's happening? Did my stream break? I think my internet's pretty crappy. Is my internet crappy today? Yeah. This is the scene. It's the ugly scene. This is the ugly scene. Wait, that's not North Star. All right. Well, this is going to be very disappointing.